Hello students, welcome to the accounts class after summer vacation. Hope all of you are healthy and studying properly at your homes. Hope also that you have solved all the sums given before vacation as holiday homework. So let's move to the next part, which is admission of a partner. So what is admission? When a new partner enters into already existing partnership firm, that is called admission of a partner or a new partner. So after the admission, a partner, the new partner, gets two kind of benefit. One is that he becomes owner partly of the assets of the firm, and in future he is entitled to receive share of profits of the firm, as well as he is also liable for other liabilities. Let's go through the next part. What are the reasons for admission of a new partner? So maybe the partnership firm is going to expand itself. For that, it needs some capital, and that capital may be introduced by the new partner as he comes into the partnership firm. If any partner is retiring, then as a replacement of the retiring partner, a new partner may be admitted. If any firm is looking for additional skills that a partner may possess, then his expertise may be used in operations of a business. For that purpose also, new partner is admitted. Again, for increasing market share, new partner is admitted so that a firm may grow big and can produce more and grow its market share. Sometimes for capturing new talents, just pass outs of engineering degrees or management degrees. Sometimes when a firm is not in a position to bear his salary, then also a new partner is admitted. Now let's see what are the effects of admission of a partner. So whenever a partner enters into the already existing partnership firm, he shares some profit, and that profit has to be sacrificed by the existing partners. New partner become owner of the assets of the firm, as well as he becomes liable to pay for the liabilities of the firm. The partner will receive share of profit in the firm, and he also becomes owner of the goodwill of the firm, which is bought by the name of the firm. So all these are some effects of admission of a new partner. Now what are the adjustments? What you have to do in accounts when a new partner is admitted? So first thing is change in the profit sharing ratio occurs, because all of the profit is shared by the existing partners, old partners, and that constitute the total profit of the firm. When a new partner enters and he gains some of the share of the firm and he takes a share of in the profit, then the ratio of the whole firm changes as a new partner is admitted. Second thing is adjustment for goodwill. Goodwill has to be adjusted, and sometimes goodwill has to be revalued. So there are some adjustment regarding goodwill. We will see one by one. Then comes revaluation of assets and liabilities. You already know that from historical cost concept that assets of the firm is mentioned in the books of account on historical cost basis. So that may not reflect the true and fair value. Like a land is purchased and it is appreciated every year by a nice percentage. It has a good growing rate in its price, but that appears in the books of accounts in the historical cost. So assets and liabilities has to be revaluated. We will see that in the separate section. Again, accumulated profits and losses, which are part of the profits and that was earned by the old partners, so that has to be distributed among the old partners or has to be adjusted somehow so that new partner may not get that share in already accumulated profits or losses. Partner's capital has to be adjusted as new partner will come and he will bring some capital. Sometimes old partners withdraw capital when a new partner comes, or sometimes more capital has to be introduced based on the ratio of incoming partner. So all these five adjustment you have to do. Now we will first go through the first one, change in the profit sharing ratio. So how change in the profit sharing ratio occurs. So there are different situations under which profit sharing ratio has to be adjusted. We will see it one by one in the second video I am sending you. You will get one illustration there. So that was all for the theory part of the admission. So properly prepare it because questions can come from this section also, 2 marks. So better read it and prepare it, remember it, so that you will be able to answer theoretical questions also. Thanks.